In this video, we are going to explain how to use or how enable agent collision detection in Zendesk works. Now, agent collision detection in Zendesk is an automatic feature that alerts agents when another agent is viewing or editing the same ticket. So, for example, we have this ticket right here, and if we are working on this, or if we open this, their name, the agent's name, is going to pop up here on the top, and it's going to be highlighted. So you're going to see, oh, so and so is actually working on this. I don't need to touch it anymore. It just shows you that it shows you the avatar of other agents in the top right corner, right? It's going to be somewhere here, right? Now, that is, again, it's by default once you start using Zendesk on a very regular basis. You don't need to go to settings or whatnot to enable this or open it. It's already there by default once you start using Zendesk and once you're starting working on tickets. Again, when you open a ticket, if there's another agent working on it before you, it's going to show up around here on the right hand side. And if you're the one working on the ticket and then somebody opens the ticket after you, your name is going to show up around here on their screen. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.